Since the second industrial revolution in the latter half of the 19th century, scientific studies have shown a global increase in temperature of about 0.1 to 0.3 degrees per decade. This may not appear as a big number, but it has added up to a very concerning 1 degree over pre-industrial levels. In other words, we are heating up our planet at a very significant rate. This is due to an effect called global warming. So first, rays from the sun enter the Earth's atmosphere. Part of them gets absorbed by the ozone layer, which is around the Earth. Then they get reflected off of the Earth and go back into the air. Now, usually they would just go back out into space, but a good part of their heat gets trapped in the atmosphere due to an ever-increasing amount of gases released through industrial processes.
Thus, these gases are called greenhouse gases. We have many types of greenhouse gases, but the most notable ones would be carbon dioxide, this one, methane, hydrogen fluoride, and nitric oxide. Unsurprisingly, 30% of greenhouse gases are emitted in China. But unfortunately, there are also greenhouse gases that destroy the ozone layer. And because of high use of these greenhouse gases, in the ozone layer there's a big hole that was made at the southern pole. But thanks to the reduction of those emission greenhouse gases that has been happening since 1986, the hole has turned into a much smaller hole, and in a few years it is expected to be completely healed.
But what does all of this mean though? Well, firstly, these massive temperature changes have led to climate change, which is a big problem to both humans and animals. Animals such as polar bears, penguins, and coral reef inhabitants are forced to migrate, leave their homes, and even possibly die. That is a big threat to biodiversity. But humans have it even worse. Floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, heat waves, and wildfires have been ending lives and destroying homes all over the world for over a decade.
Also, glaciers are being melted, which leads to rising sea levels. For now, this isn't a significant problem, but if it keeps happening in the future, then definitely coastal cities will be in big danger because of it.
So, what can we do about it? Sadly, not much, because our planet is approaching an ice age, and the immediate solution is using reusable energy sources such as wind, water, biofuels, and etc. And the reforestation is also becoming more popular, even in Croatia. So the only ones with power to do something are us. And remember, there is no plan B.